here are 3 ways to make your sound effects sound unique. Having sound effects that are different from others can make the difference between a good game and a legendary one. So here are my tips for making a game magical. Number 1, record your own sound. Generally, we use a lot of sound that is available on the internet or in sound banks, but recording your own sounds will create that authentic texture to your sounds. Number 2, layering multiple sounds. Playing several sounds at the same time allows you to create richness and texture quickly and easily. And number 3, adding unrelated sounds. Experimenting with adding voices to your gunshot or your sword strikes. It can really produce some interesting results. And that's it. But if you still don't get it,